today's the day, so going back to Portrush tonight with the Northern Ireland Historical Society. They've got a reenactment going on tomorrow and Sunday. We're camping over. First of all, I need to get changed and take all this shit off. So I'll be filming and taking photographs of them at the event. I will be dressed in uniform as a war correspondent. War correspondent is somebody from the media who would jump right into the war zone of a battle. They would take photographs and shoot footage of the battles as it was happening. One of the most dangerous things you could ever do. And then they would sell that, and it would go on TV, newspapers. So you have war correspondents risking their life, people going into the battlefield with a camera, capturing the event and then showing it to the rest of the world. Crazy stuff. So I'll be wearing that uniform, and it's ironic, you know, that I will be taking photographs and videos of the group. I need to be clean shaven for this. Either clean shaven or have a moustache. All the boys that are taking part in this either clean shaven or have a moustache, because we have to look just as the soldiers did in World War I and World War II. I never really took to having a moustache, never liked them. I don't think I would suit a moustache, to be honest. The razor and start shaving this off. Got the razor in the friggin' hot boiling waters. Hopefully I don't cut my lip this time like I did last time. Sometimes I use my tongue to help the razor glide around some of the facial hair. See that? Got out and get the shower. There you go. That's the closest you guys are going to see me with a moustache. God, I look like my grandfather. Baby-faced psychopath. Bit of blood, and there's a prize there. I hate getting my hairs in my mouth. Strange request from Gerald. He wants me to lift 4 bricks for him.
Oh, you see, if you go down the back steps of the garden, direct to the left in the garage, there should be.
Alright. Yeah, there's like no showers or toilets where we're gonna be at. I thought Ethan was joking earlier whenever he said that we'll be getting washed in the sea. Yeah, that looks like a real possibility. I think I can squeeze in through there, no problem. Ow. Oh, she hurt. Okay. 4 bricks. See the bricks anywhere? Behind the trailer. I'm confused. Are we really getting washed in the sea?
Yeah, yes, because it's sanitary, it's salt water.
Okay. Bunch of guys washing each other in the sea.
No, not washing each other, just washing themselves.
In the sea. How that'll look to the onlookers. Here they are. There we go. Charles wants 4 of these.
Jacks.
Yeah, that's the sponsor I got. Right, get it out. Was it glass?
Shit, my electronics in here.
His Cactus Jack bottle broke in his bag. Gerald took it out of the car and it was leaking all over the other bags on the ground. And unfortunately it has leaked all over the poor guy's electronics. Hopefully it hasn't done any damage. There you go, Gerald, there's your bricks that you wanted. And there's the alcohol that's leaked all over this rucksack. And all the gravel.
We'll bring it with us. I'm going to put it into a bin bag. See when we go down to the beach, you can just wash it and see.
How's your electronics?
Should be fine, it's only one thing. Although most of the videos for the weekend that I have.
You don't mind that going in the vlog, do you?
Nope, that's funny as hell.
It is funny. I did stop filming because I did feel bad for you when you mentioned your electronics.
Oh no, I got no problem.
I don't want to make it look like it's make it
There is always drama.
I don't like ripping the dick out of people that have done nothing wrong. Well, sometimes. We haven't even left yet, and shit's starting to hit the fan. What's the damage?
Just the shoelaces, this and that. That's the worst of it. Well, and the Jack Daniels that broke, Cactus Jack. So hot, can't think. Around your shorts as well. Shorts? Yeah, I don't have any swimming trunks. You don't?
If it's kind of actually okay. It is? Is it?
It's okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
And
Keep the momentum.
it's not gay if it's not cheating if it's gay.
Momentum, folks.
My fingers on the ankles.
Don't worry about that. I fell off my bicycle the other day. Smacked my entire left hand side. Yesterday I wouldn't have been able to do that.
That thing is
And that's really it.
very
The
rare I
poles
get.
across everything to hold it all down. Gas cylinder sitting there.
Your YouTube channel?
Brothers Playground. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.
I have to censor the freaking number plate. I'm only saying that now, for example.
What's that?
If it untows itself, if it breaks away from the car.
Well, it shouldn't untow because we've actually put a safety chain and everything around it as well, so it should be pretty secure. But we will have to stop off actually for fuel. We're going to the spar here to get fuel.
Don't find it a little bit. That's why I want to get on the motorway.
Yeah.
I went in with a beard today and they're going to see me coming in clean shaved.
Alright, no.
Stop screaming, you fuckers.
That's the place then?
Can someone phone Gerald there just tell him to stay raised for a moment? Let me Google the address just.
Is it really like Gerald not to answer his phone?
No.
Oh, that's why he didn't answer. Because he's right there. Must have seen us coming in.
Well, this is where it was last time, and I'm trying to confirm the address here, but. One wee moment.
Oh, faggots, how are you? Hello. Oh, it's good to be back after 2 weeks. I was here with the family 2 weeks ago. Oh, that is nice.
Yeah, I got it. It was perfect.
I like the Star Wars t-shirt.
Thank you. Mother bought me for Christmas.
I'll tell you what I do have actually.
Oh,
I've actually
I
got
tried
a
for 3
replica
years.
Darth
You
Vader
did in 3 days.
helmet.
That's good. That's nice.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, there's a running joke between us and all of our classmates. It took him 3 days what I tried to do in 3 years. He's dating a girl I chased for 3 years. He did it in 3 days.
Shall I cut that out?
No, it's funny as hell.
Keep it in.
Saw a zombie got scared.
Although you might want to ask.
Sorry.
Your
So a zombie got horny.
tongue's wonky.
Something is digging into my ass.
That
Okay. I know how that came out to you guys, but something is literally, I think it might be a tag or something.
You know what the thing is? I was actually smart enough to pack a jacket, but the jacket was wrapped around the Cactus Jack. So now I'm gonna have to wear nothing but my leather jacket the whole night.
I'm with 2 teenagers. Guess my age.
25?
20.
Almost 30.
Huh?
25, I got that?
No.
Oh.
I'm not.
29.
You're getting close.
30?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Don't you better act your age.
No.
We don't even act our age, so what are we saying?
Exactly. I just managed to retain my youth and inner child. I don't want to be the old boring adult.
Yeah, with a stick up his ass. Things being adult.
I'm only an adult when I have to be. You drive all the way out to Portrush, and I was actually down south. But you know what? This is actually why. This is actually a good reason as to why.
Over that way, England, yeah.
I'm not sure. Apparently, on a good day on the beach, you can see like the Isle of England or so, like from here.
Oh, the one with the 3 legs?
I'm not sure.
Isle of Man.
Very warm, are you?
Fuck. I don't know how I did, but I wrecked my headphones.
You racked your head.
I don't know how I did it. I'll try and fix this here if I can.
Well, we ended up at the old place, so it is.
Well, yeah, a bit of a shock when the car park has got buildings on it.
This is quite nice.
Nice and flat actually as well, because there's some more areas over there as well. If you need me.
Yeah, this is.
I want to be in uniform now.
Only thing is though, if that's where the big microphone is.
I want to be in uniform now.
We have arrived. Ah, for fuck's sake.
Side of it, sort of. No, they're not right beside you. I said there.
Not if you get whacked first.
No, because we can't have it too close.
Ah, well, I can.
We're filming.
Come on, Gerald. Come on. That. We made it.
That's about to go down the motorway. We're not the motorway.
Hey, Jamie. Their cameras about to go down the road.
Is it slowly sliding off the car?
No, the car is slowly about to drive out of Portrush.
Oh, you can drive on. It's on the film.
Here, you can leave it behind one of these boxes.
Let's leave it in the camera. Yep. Alright, sorry mate.
Yeah.
Wait, is there bolts and everything?
It is against the bullshit, and I just said,
Wait, what do you mean, everything?
I do this,
Like-
this, and this.
That's cool.
So I didn't miscount. Yes!
Oh man, you can count to 15.
Can I count to his 20s next?
Whoa, that's just
Hang on a sec.
Alright.
To your left.
That's where you get the joke. It's not, it's just not the things get dark.
Oh, it's John Kramer.
I just said him on.
And the man you call Jigsaw.
Who the hell put this one on?
Oh, I asked Mike Morris to help me with this one here, and that was his, so
But
that's
why
my
was
fault.
No, but the one you were finding up there, I also had that issue.
First time doing this. Here. Read this. What does that say?
It said well, I can't say much.
Shut up. Okay.
I make many mistakes, but I only make
Yeah, well, so do I. Kid.
Both. You need to move your black pole. Just needs to come to your left. Oh. Would you give those between Chris and Jimmy McAdoo? Tell them there's a hammer there and just put pegs.
Here's your pegs.
That's not quite it.
What? I wonder what that was. All I heard was this wheezing. Look at you. I'm more of a cat person, but I'll give you a pass here, you.
Yeah, I'm more of a cat person as well.
Never mind, look at this one. Where the hell did that go? It's somewhere here. He's gonna kill me. There it is. Oh. Look at the moon. It looks like a lamplight in the sky. And my camcorder does not do it any justice.
You keep that one.
Alright, thank you.
How do you like these things?
Hey, don't you worry about how they're lit. I will show you.
I'll just get someone to do it for me before I blow something up.
Yes. Okay, Michael, this is your
You
number.
said not to light it up there.
Change my mind. I can.
Are we allowed to do this?
Okay. Yes, oh you can. Right, first rules are this, do not let this fall over. It will end up exploding because it's got flammable fuel in the bottom, okay? So keep it upright all times. Do not mess with it. If you need to increase the brightness, turn this clockwise, lower it anti-clockwise. Do not bring this into your tents because you will end up suffocating, okay? Or you'll put yourselves on fire. You extinguish this outside the tent, okay? Seriously, this will cause harm. Second, don't touch the top, it's hot. Okay, so if it's sitting like this, do not grab it like this. You will melt your hand. I'm looking at you, okay? You will melt your hand. Lift the handle. That's why the handle falls to the side. It's metal, it conducts heat. Congratulations. You hold it.
You know, considering the fact that there's no showers here and we pretty much have to use the sea at the beach to wash ourselves with, I am surprised we've got Portrush. That's a relief, somewhat. I should have done this earlier, but didn't have the chance because we had to get set up. We've arrived at the site in Port Stewart. They have set up the canopy, the tents, and lit the lanterns. There wasn't really much I could film because, as you can see, it's dark. And from where we are at, behind that tent there, no lighting. Literally, what you see is all I could film because you would just see nothing. There's not enough lights. So I'll do a wee tour here. I've already arranged who's fucking things out of focus. I've already decided who's sharing the tent with who. Got our sleeping bags, and I need to be up. Especially, you know, if I'm going to be filming this here and participating in it as a war correspondent, that'll be my role. So here's a wee mini tour I'll be able to give to you now while it's quiet. This is the tank I've got on display.
I don't really know much about it. I am the least knowledgeable person here that would be able to tell you about these things. Fuck up. So just all these vehicles would have been either the First or Second World War. I'm not entirely sure. So this is a public event, and there will be thousands, if not 1,000, members of the public attending it tomorrow and Sunday. And we will basically be telling the public, you know, what these machines were used for, what the soldiers' roles were during the First and Second World War. I'm not responding to that. I don't know if you've heard that. I have no authority here. Fuck off. The captain here, Ethan, made a joke that it'd be great if we had our own Portrush. He has padlocks with him. He has padlocks. I made a joke that we could put one of the padlocks on the Portrush and claim it as our own. That nobody else can use it unless they have a key, which would work out better for us because there's about 6 or 7 of us here, and one of us is at least, if not one of us, if not 2 of us, will definitely need to use the pisser. We'll definitely have to go to the toilet. So it'd be handy if we had a Portrush just for ourselves that the public couldn't use. God, my fringe is atrocious. Don't have long hair. Brought a power bank with me. I hope it's enough to keep this camcorder going so I can vlog the next 2 days. God, my feet are killing me. Pick this torch up out of the range. I'm in the tent right now. They're all just chilling up there. So this is what I have. Sleeping bag. McMoore's a sleeping bag. Camera bag. Power bank's inside it. I'll charge my phone and camcorder with it. And just some munchies. As well as friggin' sugar-free raspberry drink. I have taken my sleeping tablets. They're gonna kick in soon. We have to be up at 7. It's after midnight, and I'm not gonna stay up like they are because I will be a zombie tomorrow. So I'm the first one to turn in for the night. Now they're playing music. Fuck.
We're putting up a large camo net. We're doing a display, and I'm very hungry.
That's alright.
Thank you for going to my tent.
Whenever I get another cup of tea, I'll be more hospitable.
In a biscuit.
What?
In a biscuit.
Yeah, biscuit here. Okay.
Will we raise up that? Yeah.
We'll pull this back just and we'll take this in.
We jump on the other side.
You're probably wondering why I'm not helping them. I would know the first thing about that. I'm just here to film. Uniforms. Yeah, I'm gonna get naked in here.
Well, I don't mean get naked, but yeah. Let's start to change. Let's see. You can. And these here, these go on your shoulders, but don't worry about them at the moment. Whenever you get changed, just come this way. Work out the minute. I can show you how that works.
think I was sweating in that. We all are. Yay! Very bad. Today's the day, summer. One at a time, we're all getting changed in this trailer. Bit of a problem here. I can't get this to close over. Shit. Yeah. I think the jacket can cover it.
See if
Like you take a bath, you know, with that.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking myself. It's like having a bath.
if it doesn't, then if it doesn't fit right, don't wear it.
I'm pretty confident with that. You know, if it covers it, I don't mind.
If it covers it and it's comfortable, that's okay. If it doesn't, then don't worry about it, mate.
It'll be cool to wear a uniform with you guys and be able to tell who the war first one it was.
Yeah.
You know, so I'll try and see how it looks.
Yeah.
Don't want to let you down.
You'll let me down. It's
Funny, it is 32 inches, and I'll show you right here in my jeans.
The difference is the waistband in modern trousers is lower
Yeah,
than
okay.
because see those go up to your kidneys,
Okay.
whereas normal trousers nowadays go around your belly button or below.
Oh,
So there's difference. So there's just that's just the way they used to measure them because trouser style was a pair. Just see what way it works.
all right.
Don't panic.
Martin, this is the problem I have.
What do you?
The waist
Waist.
won't close over. I just want to let you see. Yeah,
Maybe we can swap it now.
probably not.
What waist you have? You see, if you know it, I have it extra battle dress trousers at home.
Nah, wait,
It'll
no.
be grand. Oh Jesus.
I think it'll cover it up just right.
Oh, goodness.
I could just do that, but
Yeah, but over the time you
very
know.
uncomfortable. I think the jacket will cover it.
What about the buttons here? Do you click on the side?
Didn't know it wouldn't fit him.
Some this one is
Up
P49.
and down.
9, yeah.
You get away with it.
It's not the first time I've done this.
And a belt would be covered, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. So just button up the rest of that for yourself, and
Thank
you'll be okay.
Thank you. Gonna use the camcorder somewhere.
Here we have Jamie putting his nail.
Can you hold it up? Thank you. Just so I can see myself.
Let me know if you can see.
Oh, I got it. Maybe we're playing that all day. Just little shape on it. How red is my face?
It's not too bad actually.
Yeah, it was
But I would recommend putting a bit of cream on. I think you've got loads on there.
oh yeah.
Well,
Don't want the suntan friggin' ruined. Going through the stubble. Hold up. Why, thank you.
there's no right or wrong answer for it. Except mayo. Sour cream. Not bad, I heard in the comment.
No. Oh, fuck. I always hated putting this on just because my tag can see what it was.
Send you back.
Hold up straight. That's right.
That's alright. Right, well, I'll help you put your gaiters and things on here.
Yeah. Dirty water or something. Wash my hands off. Sweaty. I suppose it's better than having a red face. Hugging my leg. I'm tired.
Wait, are you even wearing socks around boots, Jamie?
Ankle socks. Oh. Am I? Well,
One guaranteed blisters, these are brand new shoes.
you should get itchy.
Big Morris.
Well. What about it?
I need help.
Try it yourself, I'll be back. Only second, mate.
Does the big part go to the left or the right?
Either or, and then just fold it over. I can do it.
Screw it, let's wing it.
And this part, see this? Goes inside.
You can also get a clip for
Oh, does it have a...
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't, so it goes in there.
Right, I'm gonna put.
Sorry, I'm in your way.
Big Morris, thank you for making me do it myself.
Where's my... Oh, and fuck me then? Okay.
Oh, thanks for the help as well.
So right now some members of the public are starting to come in, not an awful lot. So these are the stalls at our campsite. I chose not to wear a t-shirt under this here, stupidly. I'm going to be itching, I'm going to be red, I'm going to be sweating. Good possibility I might collapse in this heat. But I'll keep going for as much as I can. I'm more of a cat person, but I'm making an exception with this doggy. Yes.
Watch the burn the coat.
Earring thing? No.
No, he's making a custom harness for him, out of the web. So at least he's 50 aesthetic. He looks sweltered. Definitely.
You warming up to me now because James isn't around?
That on, I always had on the...
However, the large pack.
Sun cream is irritating my eyes.
Is that yours or is it... I can see this.
Hay fever is kicking off. No antihistamines. Fuck. I hope this does something for me. Fuck this off. James here, taking me to the shop to pick up some antihistamines. I cannot film because my eyes are constantly watering and irritating and itchy. I cannot focus. I cannot see if I am focused when I'm filming them. It's not very nice. That's a headache coming on. I didn't realise the pollen would be so high up here. Otherwise I would have brought antihistamines. I'm paying for it. Do you know what? See now that I'm down here, it's down off a bit. Hey sir.
Are you right?
Yep. Hay fever.
You're right. Hay fever.
Yeah, that's what I need to get antihistamines.
I think I want to come.
Do you?
I do, alright.
That'd be great.
Come.
Because it's
Thank you very much.
It's just
See you around the shop.
Give me 2 minutes to that's what I set up here.
Not a problem.
okay. I hope they work.
Head you up next tent up there, 100 hours, ready to go.
What time? It's hell this here. I can't take videos of them. I can't even see on the screen if I'm in focus or not. Never mind the sun. Ooh, ice cream.
That'll cure it. Ice cream cures everything, Jimmy.
Look, see this, it's not as bad now. It's them fucking flowers up there. That's what's doing it. It's the pollen coming off them.
Yeah.
But see, as soon as I go back over there, whoosh,
Yeah.
I don't know. Doggy.
War doggy.
It's starting to kick off again. Because we're getting closer.
Great around, kids.
you're down.
Yep. I can't film the guys.
No problem, no problem.
It's about, over here, I'm fine. But see if I go over there. The grass.
Yes, I've stuff in the caravan.
Perfect.
Hold on.
Very nice lady. Shit. Half an hour. We have 30 minutes. The anti-histamine kick in. Do you have cheeseburgers?
Yeah.
I like how you have your head right at your dog's ass.
Yes,
He's facing away. I'm surprised.
I'm actually up to get shot if you want it. Do it. That is an offer you cannot refuse. I can.
He has a man crushing me, remember?
What?
He has a man crushing me.
I
remember?
don't. I said that.
Ray, no, leave him.
God.
Jimmy
I've
don't
heard
like
dogs will actually helps with.
I don't mind them.
Jimmy don't like dogs.
I just hit being licked. Fuck off.
Oh.
Sensory issue.
Don't drill on me.
It's just men, you like touching you.
Yeah.
Hi.
The antihistamines didn't do me much good. It worked for a while. And now I feel worse than what I did earlier. So I've just been sent home. There's no point in me being up here. I'm just suffering. I literally just feel like I'm hungover right now. My head is heavy. God. I hate leaving them. I'd actually rather stay up here. Fuck up. This eye is constantly tearing up and streaming water. And it's just... I just feel like I was out last night, got drunk, woke up the next morning really hungover. But that's not what I did last night. But I may as well have. I feel like complete and utter shit right now. These are hay fever relief wipes. They're only doing so much. So James is leaving me back home. I couldn't catch up with him when I was walking down. We walked down through that. Not very much, but I couldn't keep up with him, so I said to him, I'll stand here at the gate and he will go get his car, drive up and pick me up. So the further we go from the danger zone, the more relieved I'll be. Now we're gonna find out. I just needed to get the fuck out of Portrush, Portrush. God, the pollen was high. So, hospital gave me, I think, sertraline, told me I have either an allergy or just a really bad case of hay fever. Look at my eye, look at this, it's closing up. Vision's not affected, but it's really frustrating because I've nearly tripped over a few things today. I hope the fuck it's gone by tomorrow. There we go, fucking tear coming down. I'll be taking them every day. God, I've never had it this bad before. That's if it even is hay fever. We're right in the field in Portrush yesterday. Oh, there's a tear coming out. There we go. It's not itchy, it's more or less just keeps weeping.